So yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to another video of riding and talking. So I was checking my channel today and then it's been like 22 days since I last updated any video. So there's a good reason why I wasn't uploading much, and then yeah, I will address the reason here, and then also I'm gonna be talking about my motovlogging setup here today. So yeah, let's go with the video. I'm at Chumo right now. So yeah, we'll first fuel up this baby and then we will go somewhere, and then we'll talk about why I wasn't uploading, and then also my motovlogging setup. Woo, just check out, man, the view. I just hope it doesn't rain. It is cloudy, but just don't rain. Not gonna lie, it's good weather. Okay, patkaila petrol pump tade dalilo na giteo. Also, you guys can see I'm back with the stock mirrors because the aftermarket mirrors were like too shaky, so I decided to switch to stock mirrors. Let's fuel up here. Sheesh, fladui nazo petrol pump te. Wow, couldn't be now petrol dali uli. I think it's kind of drizzling, but that's okay. So I filled her up, and now let's just hope it doesn't rain because it's kind of drizzling. I don't know if it's drizzling or oh, I just hope I don't fall down from here. Oh, deep taste. That was deep, man. Sheesh. Oh, my shoes. Oh, saya juta pe mabijisya ko. Aha, rasta don't know that. I literally went inside, man. Like 5-6 inch to bidog sishnegi. Damn, it's all wet, man. Let me just go here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go here. Let's talk about my motovlogging. Oh, salah. I'll extend ini jauh na. Let's talk about my motovlogging setup. But before we talk about the motovlogging setup, just check out this mesmerizing view, yo. Too good, too good. So for recording my videos, I use a GoPro Hero 10 Black, and then along with the GoPro I got myself a media mod to record my audio, because I thought about the mic adapter, but I just thought it would be such a, you know, any setup man dangor word na, because mic adapter like cable as a isharo microphone like cable alak paro as a to ini setup to wiring man bishi gorde na. Ito lang inaro to mic adapter chola zulo do ulan zila ro do kya to kinyo lage case to na mic adapter aro GoPro la to ini dan man chamela lo mun thana iron mo ini direct media mod to liru because media mod to direct to GoPro to gusai dibi bitor de aro hoise simple GoPro gusai na record kurbi aro battery charge ko ba direct ba power bank dalina na to media mod chala do lop setup to minimalistic rakhi de. So that is why I, you know, went for the media mod instead of the mic adapter. But then at the end of the day to la khushi je to an kun cholom je na media mod na mic adapter to cholom je but ini cool khushi gule to mic adapter lop sosta wala de media mod pa do media mod to I think 6-7,000 now de first hand second hand na jne mic adapter I think price pe 3-4,000 is nahi to second hand de paise la ba 2-3 na pai jao ba and then okay, I explained about my camera, I explained about how I record my audio, and then now let's talk about view to sundar ji. Okay, coming back, I record at 4K 24 FPS because the quality from the GoPro itself is like very good, okay, but when you're uploading on YouTube, it, you know, YouTube really knows how to compress the video. So even if you upload it at 1080p footage to ini kinako man low quality dikhina to idar na moi 4K de record kore. And then you guys must be wondering why I record at 24 FPS. It's because 24 FPS gives a sort of like a realistic human eye view, or I don't know, something like that, because my kutu pursho kunala YouTube video to pursho motovlogger fast lane dila daisna gi tai motovlog kan 24 FPS te record kore because more than that to mala human eye va kinako smooth dikhilebe it's not realistic na 60 FPS kat, so that is why I record at 24 FPS. So yeah, I also use the ND filter which makes my, you know, footage look realistic, and then you guys can, I don't know if you guys can see the blurs in the side. Let me speed up a bit and show. If you guys can see the speed blur in the sides, then yeah, that's what the ND filter does. It gives a sort of like a realism to the video. And then also sorry, and then also whenever the shutter speed is, you know, double the frame rate and you're not using the ND filter, it's gonna look very bright. Like I'm gonna show you guys an example. So you know, the ND filter gives the footages a sort of like a, you know, realistic, and then it just makes the video a whole lot cooler with the speed blur and then realism. So the rule here is whenever you're using ND filter, you should keep your goat. Okay, but yeah, coming back, the rule here when you're using ND filter is shutter speed should be double the frame rate. So if I'm recording at 24, then my shutter speed should be 48. If I'm recording at 30, shutter speed should be 60. And no matter in which resolution you record on, you should, you know, double your shutter speed. That's how you get this amazing effect of, you know, speed blur and then etc, etc. Also, if you guys are interested in buying the ND filter, then you guys can check it out on Amazon. I think it's named like Telecine ND filter or something. They're not expensive. I mean 2K inaktaze, so it's not bad for the price. Because if you check out other brand ND filters, then they're really expensive. For my mic, I use a Mauna 400 AU 400, I guess. They come for like a very reasonable price on Amazon, so I'm using that for my mic with the media mod, and then that's how I record my audio. But mic kinam dito an kyo kinule mic adapter aro attached to 3.5mm lang na, because okay, I can't recall if it's TRRS or TRS, but the mic teni mic eject te tinta line azugulo to ito to mic adapter or media mod to nakao to line duita thakala kinyo lage to dorne to line duita la adapter kinyo lage cholawle na. And then for my mount, I'm using a mount from Blue Armor, helmet mount na chin mount Blue Armor la chala ase. It's a very reasonable price, 400 as nagi. So Itu chala ase. Because itu strap la helmet mount je na tan full mount ta to itu chalai shule to helmet ba ban gorna paro to hawa bitor ai na. Idor ne moi kiwa chala ase jado adhesive mount na itu lo bal ase. Aro oh shit, I think that's pretty much it for my motovlogging. Or in case you're wondering what helmet I use the SMK Stellar. So that's pretty much it, my motovlogging setup. And then yeah, I'm just riding my bike right now, so let's see. Let's just reach till the Shalom Resort Junction and then we'll take a U-turn. Because mandur jai live no my. Woo! Also last Sunday I went to Perrin with my friends Nano and Mern, and then that was the most untiring journey ever because the roads were okay. It wasn't that bad. And then the view was so good, man. I'm gonna upload a short video about it now so you guys check the view from out there.
Oh my god! Wow, it's pretty, ah.
Mern, where's your phone?
Carry that.
Not like Mern, Mern dapat. Wala pa may lola.
Hey. It is sunny, but it's a very chill day.
You guys taking over my vlog. You guys see.
They're building a church here. This is Old Chaluki Middle. That's what the signboard said a few ways back. So this is a very good.
Mine is going to be explaining for their team. Okay. I'm gonna be uploading the video.
So somebody missed his landing.
Just check it out, man.
I could see the highway from there.
I don't know if this will do justice. I mean, I don't know if the camera will do justice to the view, but then just check it out, man. Woo! I swear, man, this place is so unreal. Like the view, it's like I've never seen this kind of view from this up high na. So it's like so unreal for me. First time. Tujin ki khoda warna shirt ki lagai she? Fine, photo daliyo lagi ede. We don't know when we'll come here again. So photo da kichiyo lagi. So here's the place where we, I mean, this is the place which is on the internet. Oh. Oi, oko na dikiwo. Bye. It's just your sweat, bro. I swear after this road is completed. So let's talk about why I wasn't uploading much. I thought I would upload like contents consistently after my exams got over, my final exams, college laga. But after my exams ended, I got a job offer, and then I started working, and hence I wasn't able to upload because I work from like Monday to Saturday, and then Sunday is the only day I get off. So I have recorded some vlogs on Sunday, but I wasn't able to edit them. But then I am gonna be taking the time to edit this vlog because I have to let you guys know, right? And then I am gonna be active now every Sunday. I think I'm gonna be uploading vlogs every Sunday. So yeah, vlogs on the log. Ijado asti Sunday de lo. And then it's actually nice to be, working. Only the drawback is that I'm not getting enough time to be recording videos, but at least I'm getting paid. So that payment, that salary for my job is gonna be paying my bills in whatever I do. So be it like going for rides or doing modifications, I won't have to depend on my family anymore, so it's a good thing. Even though it's hectic, I mean, it's not that hectic, my work. And then I don't know if I'm allowed to disclose where I'm working, but I won't be disclosing it now. Maybe after some days, some weeks, after I get confirmation that I can disclose where I'm working. But yeah, for now, no disclosure. Let me stop here for some time. Whew, just check out the view, man. Too good. Here's my bike, all dirty. It's been like, I think 5 to 6 days I didn't ride my bike, man, because it was raining so heavily. I had to use the car, and then I don't enjoy driving the car because traffic tini alchi lagi na phasi hole. And then yeah, I think I covered the motovlogging setup on this video, and then I covered why I wasn't able to upload for like 22 days. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it. I mean, that's pretty much gonna be what I'm gonna be talking about in this video. So that's done. And then wow, just check out the view, man. Too beautiful. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, because I think the next content is gonna be more better than what I recorded today. So yeah, do keep up with my videos, subscribe if you're new here, and then, you know, thanks again. Did something happen? I think an accident happened. Accident ne gitu though? Ki iş nerede? Mana mardı şey? Oh, teenager. कैसे हुआ? Teenager? Oh.
makan lagi sih? Makan nasi. Ini ayah aku mau jual lagi tu. Aku kan lagi lagi nak.
Pasti aja deh. Bang tadi cik sana dia tadi tu. Pasti aja. Banyak.
आपने देखा क्या हुआ? आपने देखा क्या हुआ?
अपने से क्या हुआ?
हेलमेट नहीं पहन के था?
नहीं था।
वो नहीं था ना हेलमेट? आहा। That was scary, man. Tala mata patina daishowa. But witness kan ba kwado tay astiva ite joishe to ta amit nas ne kinana tay kinako rastala tare middle de lagi na girishe mata patina tay helmet pi lagai na tha ne wishe. If he was using helmet, then mata to at least bachiu tai shide alag chokko manu charli na. But yeah, he wasn't using helmet. And then this is why you should use helmet no matter where you're going, because you never know what will happen, right? So that is why helmet is a necessity for riders. Anyway, now I'm really ending my vlog, so yeah, till then, be safe, and riders, if you're watching this video, always use helmet. See you guys in the next video. Take care, be safe, peace.